Design is where ideas become reality.
The game is to invent things that didn't exist and put a lot of virtuosity into the executions. When it's well done, it's magic.
The most important thing is how we put people at the center of the process, really understanding what people want and need and how they feel when they are interacting with our products is what drives me.
We are not designing only purely functional objects just to move people from A to B, but there is this emotional connection thanks to the shapes, thanks to the materials. This creates a specific link between people and the car. Before we even draw, we talk about the story we want to tell, how this car should make someone feel. It starts with conversation, with people coming together. It's about designer, product people, digital modeler, UX experts, engineer, sharing ideas freely.
I love researching. We touch, feel, explore, see how we could apply it to automotive. The Halcyon uses recycled CD composites. We were able to water jet this hard sheet of material and use it for the badging for this concept car. And we were able to highlight and pay homage to the Motor City and its musical heritage.
We're constantly trying to outdo ourselves. We're constantly debating solutions and measuring ourselves against the future, against who we want to be, against what we've been.
The UX design team designs and develops the way that the users interact with our systems. When we are thinking of a new experience, whether that is for a specific brand or for a whole new setup of vehicles, we get together to understand who we are building our systems for. And this is where we start our discovery process. Then we start creating what our interactions inside and outside the vehicle should be like, until we do all the production and validation together with our engineering and software teams.
We're looking at digital tools that are really speeding up the process. We've borrowed things from the gaming industry, from manufacturing, 3D printing, AI, you name it. We are the first users of every technology we can get our hands on. It doesn't displace design, it just augments it. We have 6 design studios around the world.
Different countries have different priorities. We want to be able to have a view of it, so that collaboration is very important as a design studio to be in tune with what's happening around the globe.
You have to stay true to each brand's DNA and heritage. But yet, it's interesting to have a lot of inputs, different cultural approaches or interpretations.
Easter eggs are everywhere. The Jeep Avenger. On the windshield, we have a little boy that is gazing at the stars behind the telescope. I asked to use the profile of my son. Actually, this is a family story right now. My son as well is really happy to be already in 200,000 at Jeep Avenger around Europe.
We have this huge opportunity of driving and defining what the future of mobility is going to look like all over the world. It's a huge opportunity and honor for me specifically to be here and be able to contribute to that.
The importance to cultivating all this incredible input from around the world is creating the very best vehicles, but also ones that have deeper meaning. You know, there's a soul. When you buy a vehicle, you can feel it. You can literally sense the commitment, sense the uniqueness of the vehicle, the little treasures that we know we put in there. That comes from wanting to almost communicate to the end customer your passion.